Good evening, traders. This is Brian with TraderShark.com, an educational website to learn how to trade the S&P E-mini futures. Today is Friday, July 1st, 2011. The following are examples of trade setups that occur on a regular basis. We are showing 3 trade setups for a potential profit of 14 ES ticks. We also had 2 advanced trade setups, one for 38 ticks and one for 14 ticks. Market opened up at 1315.75, 1315.75. We don't usually trade the first 15 minutes of the day from 9:30 until 9:45 Eastern Standard Time. Opening price is represented by this white dotted line. Market initially took a dip, came back up, went through opening price, pulled back for an entry at the open for a total of 9 ticks. Target 1 and target 2 were hit. The orange lines are the Globex range high and range low. We had an advanced trade setup begin to occur right here on 10:23 a.m. Some traders took advantage of this where you bought in right at the close of this candle. And I think, let's see what the entry was on that. The entry on that trade was 1325.25. Ultimate target did not actually materialize until after the lunch hour or after the no trade zone, and I'll show you that target here shortly. As the market continued on in the morning, this magenta colored line is the hourly range high. You'll notice how it stopped right at the magenta line, began a pullback. The market continued up until the hourly range high. At the hourly range high, we had a little bit of a reversal for target 1 and target 2 for a total of 7 ES ticks. We then had another advanced trade set up right here just beyond the, you see the little pullback here where we had a trend line break to the upside, the close of that candle, entry at around 1333.75. And this target for this closer advanced trade ended up right into the no trade zone for a total of 14 ES ticks. We have a no trade zone from 11:30 until 1:15 Eastern Standard Time, simply a period of lower volume, higher volatility. We were going into a 3-day weekend for the July 4th holiday here in the United States. That being said, the volume did curb off a little bit, but on a lower volume day going into a 3-day weekend, we have traditionally seen the market run up into the close. With that being said, we finally hit our target on the first advanced trade right here at around 1334.75 for a total of 38 ES ticks. Shortly after that, we had in one of our trade plan setups a short for a loss of 2 ticks. We hit our first target, and then we got stopped out for our second target. Going into the close, we had a relatively flat day, so we ended up the day with a total of 3 valid trade setups, a total of 16 ES ticks. For these and more advanced trade setups, to learn more about these and more advanced trade setups, such as the Shark Attack and the Wave Trade, or for a copy of the trading manual, please visit TraderShark.com. Thank you. Have a great evening and a fantastic 4th of July.